Hello and a very warm welcome. You are watching News Flash. This is your host Mansi Yadav with today's biggest news stories across India and world. Let's begin the bulletin. The top news is from Peru, where archaeologists have unearthed the 3,000-year-old remains of 14 individuals near a temple in Pumape in what experts believe was a grim ritual of human sacrifice linked to the ancient Kapiznik culture. The skeleton remains were found buried face down, hands bound behind their backs in simple sand pits. A stark and telling sign, researchers say, of deliberate ceremonial killing. Lead archaeologist Henry Tantallin described the discovery as a typical form of human sacrifice, offering a rare glimpse into the spiritual and political practices of pre-Incan Peru. The find adds a haunting new chapter to the nation's archaeological legacy, joining the ranks of world-renowned sites such as Machu Picchu and the mysterious Nazca Lines. Now let's take a look at United States, where the United States has increased its reward for information leading to the arrest of Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro to $50 million, doubling the previous offer. U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi announced the move on Thursday, citing allegations of drug trafficking and links to criminal organizations. In a video message posted to X, Bondi said the expanded reward underscores Washington's commitment to bringing Maduro to justice. The world must know no one is above the law, she declares. Maduro, who has led Venezuela since 2013, has repeatedly denied the accusations, dismissing U.S. actions as part of a political campaign against his government. The United States first indicted Maduro in 2020, accusing him of leading a narco-terrorism conspiracy involving the smuggling of tons of cocaine into the country. Now we are talking about New York, where UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres is disheartened by the new tariffs imposed by US President Donald Trump, which took effect Thursday. His deputy spokesperson Farhan Haq said Guterres, a consistent critic of escalating trade disputes, has warned that such measures are ruinous to the global economy and risk hitting the world's poorest populations the hardest. He believes trade wars undermine cooperation and stability. Haq noted, adding that the UN chief is urging all countries to seek dialogue and avoid protectionist deepen inequality. The tariffs mark the latest escalation in the Trump administration's trade policy, drawing concern from economic experts and international organizations about potential ripple effects across developing nations. Now the next news is from Israel, where Israel's political security cabinet has approved a plan for the military to seize Gaza City. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's office said Friday, vowing to provide humanitarian aid to civilians outside combat zones. The decision follows Netanyahu's remarks to Fox News that Israel aims to control the entire Gaza Strip but hand governance to Arab forces. According to Axios, the plan includes evacuating civilians before a ground assault. The move comes despite growing domestic protests, UN warning that expanded operations would be deeply alarming, and ongoing hostage negotiations. Israel says it controls 75% of Gaza, where most of the 2 million residents have been displaced, and aid agencies warn of famine. That's all for you in this bulletin. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned with us for more news updates.